Alyssa's Uncle Ken gave her $100 for her first birthday, $200 for her second birthday, $300 for her third birthday, and so on until her 18th birthday. How much did he give her in all? So I've written on the board this particular sequence, 100, 200, 300, etc., all the way up to 1800. We would recognize this as an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 100. So a sub 1, the first term, is 100. D is 100. We know that the 18th term is 1800, and we're interested in finding S sub 18. Well, the formula S sub n is n over 2 times the sum of the first and last terms. So S sub 18 will be equal to 18 divided by 2 times the sum of 100 plus 1800. 100 plus 1800, of course, is 1900. And when we multiply by 18 divided by 2 is 9. So we multiply 9 times 1900, and we'll find that the sum of the first 18 terms is 17,100. And that means she received 17,100 from her uncle.